The recent snowstorm brought a welcome bit of moisture for farmers and ranchers across the state of Montana, with some places seeing more than a foot of snow. But the amount of moisture we received out of this recent storm might be lower than you thought.
Montana is a tough country, and so any little bit of moisture you get helps the grass.
Any moisture is good moisture as far as farmers and ranchers are concerned. Jenny Moki works on the Redland Angus Ranch in Hysham, which raises 1,000 head of cattle. They saw 18 inches of snow in some places on Wednesday.
Everybody we talked to, from here to North Dakota and farther, was really hoping for moisture, and it sounds like it was a pretty widespread storm, so I'm hoping everybody got good moisture out of this that'll make the grass come.
But how much did the recent snow affect the drought outlook? Turns out it did make a positive impact, but not as much as you might imagine. The mountains received less snow than many had hoped. Snowpack in the mountains was about 3/4 of normal before that storm, and the storm did bump up the totals, but only by a few percentage points. Billings only got 3/10 of an inch of moisture from its 13 inches of snow, and the majority of the state is still staring down the barrel of drought this summer.
We rely on the snowpack in the mountains, which a lot of this storm didn't get where we need it.
Billings farmer Darren Miller grows barley, corn, alfalfa, and raises a few head of cattle west of town.
We were going into a dry winter, and conditions were dry. A lot of the spring work has been done in the fields, but we needed some moisture to get crops up.
While it didn't bring much moisture, Miller said he's hopeful the cold temps of the storm will help retain the snow in the mountains a bit longer, so the water will be available in the heat of the summer.
But it also brings along with it cooler temperatures. With the cooler temperatures, it makes the spring runoff a little slower, and we retain that moisture in the mountains a little longer for our later in the season when we really need it.
In Billings, Mitch Laggy, MTN News.